Once upon a time, in a small town called Healthville, there lived a woman named Emma. Emma had always struggled with her weight and had tried countless diets, but none seemed to work in the long term. Frustrated and tired of the cycle of losing and gaining weight, she decided it was time for a different approach. Emma began her journey by seeking the advice of a nutritionist named Dr. Miller, who had a reputation for helping people achieve sustainable weight loss through healthy eating. Dr. Miller started by educating Emma about the importance of balanced nutrition and how it could transform her life. Together, they created a personalized nutrition plan for Emma. It included a variety of whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Emma learned to appreciate the power of portion control and mindful eating. She also started keeping a food journal to track her progress and stay accountable. Over time, Emma's taste buds adapted to her new, nutritious diet, and she began to enjoy the flavors of wholesome foods. She discovered that eating well wasn't about deprivation but about making smart choices that nourished her body and mind. As the months passed, Emma noticed positive changes not only in her weight but in her overall health and energy levels. She had more stamina and felt better than ever before. Her confidence soared, and she became an inspiration to her friends and family. Emma's journey wasn't without its challenges. There were moments of temptation and doubt, but she always turned to Dr. Miller for guidance and support. Together, they worked through setbacks and celebrated successes, reinforcing the idea that sustainable weight loss was not a quick fix but a lifelong commitment to health. In the end, Emma didn't just lose weight. She gained a new perspective on life and a deep appreciation for the transformative power of nutrition. Her story became a source of motivation for others in Healthville, and she continued to spread the message that a healthy lifestyle rooted in proper nutrition could lead to a happier and more fulfilling life for anyone willing to take the journey.